Hi everyone! Another upgrades done by PRS. This is a FJ cruiser for trail setup. Under the hood, we install AFE GT Momentum cold air intake. This is a washable air filter and will increase around 10% 10 more horsepower. And also we install ARB breather kit. For the bumper, we changed to MCC rocker bar, steel bumper, and we install COMEUP recovery winch. This is a 10,000 pounds winch, and for auxiliary light we install PIAA LX 570 lights. For the under protector, we use the ARB UVP under vehicle protection. We also changed the headlight to LED bulb also. Suspension, we use TIN 4x4 damper sports, 16 ways adjustable. And for the upper arm, we use Old Man Emo upper control arm. Also, we install OEM roof rack. For the rear, we also install extended stub link, exhaust system by GREDDY. Install GREDDY. Start the engine for you to listen how it sounds like. Also, before I forget, we also replaced the PANHARD to HARDRACE, adjustable PANHARD. We'll start the engine first. Also, we install over fender BUSWAKER and replace the gas cap to MOTORAD because the original gas cap of the unit don't have key lock and the cover can open even the door is locked. That's why we replace it with key. Safety first here. Then interior, we install armrest on the passenger side, real carbon steering wheel, TOPSPEED throttle controller. Because we install TOPSPEED to prevent from lag, delayed throttle control, and delayed. You can adjust the in sports mode, eco mode, top speed, and anti-lag. via Bluetooth also. For the tint also, we replace it to BF ceramic stone series. Side super dark. Front we used medium. Even this is the 71% heat rejection, it's already very clear. How much more the higher model, the Ceramic Pro and the Supreme series. Okay.
Thank you.
Lastly, for the rims and tires, we use 17-inch fuel flow form technology wrapped in BF Goodrich 35 by 12.5 by 17 km3 tires. That's it. As for now, as you can see the stands on it. If you're interested with our build here, feel free to message me here at PRS. Because stock is boring, guys. See you soon. Bye.